First, I took a normal photo, but I wanted something unique, so I applied a splash effect to turn part of the image into black and white while keeping the main subject in color. This creates a powerful contrast that instantly grabs attention. Then I adjusted the position to perfectly split the effect across the face and body. Next, I fine tuned the brightness and colors to make the subject stand out even more. The soft background blur adds a clean, professional look. In just a few steps, a simple photo becomes an icon.